guys, it's me, Heather, and I hope that you can see me, and I hope that this is a better setup. Please ignore, we got two chihuahuas in the background. All the grunting and groaning is going to be them, it's not me. So I filmed a little clip earlier this morning when I got out of the shower and did my hair on this facial cupping set. So I want to do kind of more a detailed review because I'm not sure how well that turned out, because again, it was in my bathroom. I didn't have lighting, you know, I didn't do lighting and all that jazz, so it was just me in the bathroom. But I had a lot of questions. I posted this on Instagram and Facebook, and I got lots of feedback. I even received a couple emails about it. So I wanted to do a very good, detailed review for you. And if that was any decent, oh my God, why do they let me out? Why do they even let me speak? If that was decent enough, it will be included probably somewhere around here or after when I get done jibber jabbering. Whatever's best, you'll know because you'll be seeing it. So, but I bought this little cupping set. It was suggested for me on Amazon, and they said it was like a suggested post or a suggested product for me. And I am a sucker for Amazon beauty products. Like, I'm always shopping on there. I was thinking about just doing like my favorite Amazon purchases, like beauty products. So if you want to see that, let me know down below. But yeah, this is by Grace and Stella, and it's a facial cupping set. And it says paraben free, cruelty free, all that jazz. And it says to reduce fine lines and increase collagen. It's a 7-piece set, and you receive this little bag. And inside the bag, you get, first and foremost, you get this jojoba oil. You receive the jojoba oil. And you also receive a little rubber brush, which you'll probably see in the, because the video I filmed, I did like the tutorial for you. So you'll see that it comes with a little rubber brush. It's actually suction cupped in there to my mirror. So, but then you get the jojoba oil, and you put this on before you do the cupping. Oh, well, we'll get that later. Before you do the cupping, you receive, let me show you, one big cup like this. It is quite large. Like, it will fit on my forehead. Like, you can, you know, suction it to the forehead and do it. But I think this would be really good for the neck and the décolleté, like shoulders. It's supposed to be good for cellulite, stretch marks, stuff like that, because it brings the blood flow back to that area and helps plump it up, firm it up. So this may be good for that. I mean, if you have a small booty, this may be good for you. I'm going to need one about 10 times that size. But then you also get two of these little ones that are just the little suction cups. I'm hoping that is showing you. And then, boop, and then you get two of these, which is what I use on my entire face. This is, I haven't cleaned them. This one's a little dirty because it's got the oil on it. So please ignore that. I didn't wash it. I just did the review in the bathroom like 45 minutes ago. So, but this one is the one that I use. Like I said, you get two. It's medium size, so you can do them at the same time if you want on each side of your face, or you can just, like, I just use the one and I just concentrate it. I do one side of my face. I do like, you know, I'll go on my forehead and then I go up. Everything's up. Take it up, and like I just follow like the natural lines of my head. I don't know, and then I do the other side. Maybe a couple minutes on each side, maybe 5 minutes total, if that. I only do it in the morning, like when I wake up, and before I put my makeup on. Like, I'll do it, take my shower, go have my coffee, and get ready. So I think it helps with the depuffing. I feel like I look more awake when I put my makeup on. I have, like, you know, like when we were young. If you're young, just ignore this part. But when you're young and you just wake up and you're ready to go, you didn't have to worry about the eye gels or the depuffing or the wrinkles that don't go away, like when you wake up from where your face was smushed into a pillow. This helps that go away. I'm not kidding. Like, I've been using it for a week. After like the second time using it, I posted it on Instagram and Facebook, and I was like, do you want to know about this? Because I love this. I am sitting here talking with a silicone cup in my hand. But I really do enjoy it. The number one question everybody asks me is, how do you prevent face hickeys from like the suction? You know what I'm talking about. You know, you feel me. But the thing is you get it suctioned on to your face. Let me see if I can do it. You get it suctioned on. Do not leave it on your face. Like, do not leave it one spot. The key is to move it. So you're going to suction it and move it. Suction it and move it. That's what the oil helps it glide. So you're not tugging, not pulling. The jojoba oil, just put a generous amount so you're nice and greased up, and then just suction it and move it. Suction it and move it, and just let it release. Just let your fingers like let go of the suction and let it naturally just kind of release. I watched a couple videos on YouTube, and I was like, these people are young, because if you're older and you're sitting there suctioning it and pulling it, suctioning and pulling it, you're gonna just, I mean, you're ruining your skin. Treat it like it's your facial skin, where you're very gentle when you're putting your makeup on. You're not gonna do that. So what you would naturally do is just treat it that way. So I've been using it because I have forehead wrinkles, I have fine lines, and I'm getting wrinkles here. Yay! But so I used it on my forehead wrinkle, and I mean, maybe you imagine it, but I feel like it looks smoother. I feel like my lips look better. They look more plump. Because they're so dry and they hurt, but like when I use this, they feel more plump, and I just think they look better. It's kind of the Kylie Jenner ideal without the crazy like bruising and the dramatic like huge lips and stuff. It's just a natural plumping. Hopefully you'll see that in the video. I hope that made sense. If you have any specific questions, please leave those in the comments. I'm happy to answer that. I'm just trying to film this before my battery dies, and just in case the tutorial is no good, I wanted to have a backup for you, because I really wanted you to know about this product. So I will link it down below. I did get off Amazon. I think it's like $12 or less. I mean, I think mine was like $11.99. It may have gone up, I don't know. But if you're Prime, you'll have it in 2 days, and you'll be gorgeous in 2 days. So this again is what it looks like. Check the description always for anything that I mention in videos. There's always a link to where you can purchase it. Feel free to comment down below, but also you can email me, message me on Instagram, follow me and all those as well, and Facebook, because I'm always answering questions there when I'm not here. So again, that's what it looks like. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, it's me, Heather. Don't be scared. I'm filming my facial cupping video today, and I thought, I'm doing my hair before I do my makeup. I'm going to film my video about facial cupping, because I promised people online that I was going to do it. So please be kind in the comments. I'm about to be 36 years old, no makeup, so I don't normally show this side of myself, but I thought, you know, for the people I'd do it. So anyways, this is the facial cupping set from Grace and Stella, and I bought it off Amazon. It wasn't sent to me, or it's not sponsored or anything, but I'm addicted to Amazon beauty shopping, so I'm always buying random products from there, and I thought, facial cupping, I don't know, it was like suggested to me, and because I'm gullible, I bought it. So this set comes with jojoba oil and a silicone cleanser and your facial cupping. So you get this little bag, which is cute, and it's got all the stuff. It comes with all your little cups, which I will show you, and then you get this little cleanser. What you do, oh, and then you get your jojoba oil. So this is just like those little silicone, you get them at the Dollar Tree. This set was like $11, $12, so I mean, it's not breaking the bank, and I like it. So use this little thing, your face will get red. My face is already red, it's always red, but it kind of stimulates the blood flow. You just kind of buff it around. Then use your jojoba oil. I hope I'm in frame, I have no idea. And sorry for the lighting, it's my bathroom. I'm trying. Okay, so the jojoba oil, you're gonna put that on. You can just put it directly on your face, but put it generously where you're gonna use the cups, so just so it doesn't stick, because this helps prevent getting the facial hickeys. It helps everything glide. If you need more, put more. Okay, then you're gonna get this big one, which is too big for my face. It would be good for like the chest, maybe if you do your arms, back of your arms, because it's good for stretch marks, cellulite, scars. So this might be a good one for your body, at least your upper body. Try it on your butt, I don't know. Mine's too big for that, but and then you get 2 of these. which are just medium sized. And that's what I use. And then they come with 2 of these little ones, which are meant for the lips and around the eyes, so I do use it for that, but there's not a lot of suction, so I don't feel like I'm getting the full benefit. So, I will start my mirrors here, so if you see me looking, I'm not trying to not show you, but it's kind of habit to look. So, you will take it, squeeze it, and keep it moving, which it attaches to your face. And you will get red. It's pulling the blood. It's to help with lines, rebuild collagen, gets that blood flowing. So it's really good to do it first thing in the morning before you take your shower, because it helps get rid of all that puffiness, you know, and so I look way better when I do it in the morning than I do right now doing it later in the day. So, but I have fine lines here, so just let it, you can hear it. Just don't leave it in one spot. You won't get the hickeys. And then I just keep going over it, especially where I have the, and your face will be red, like I said. Mine's going to be very red. Then you can just take it on each side of your face, go up. It takes a little bit to get used to like where to pinch it to get the suction. You got my fine lines here. Let's see if we can show you. Just see the lips start getting fuller on the one side. So yeah, it's starting to plump up on that side. And this side, so you gotta do it evenly. This is not like the Kylie Jenner lip thing where you're gonna leave it on there. You just get the little flexion and just pull it off. I've been doing this for a little over a week now, maybe about a week. No face hickeys or mouth hickeys or. But you can tell that it instantly just made them look more plump. And when I do it in the morning, I do it and I do my shower, and when I put my makeup on, I just feel like my skin looks better. It looks more awake. So just be gentle with your face. You don't want to go in there and be aggressive like you might with your thighs or something, you know, like treat it like it's your face. And then let me just show you. You have the little ones, and you're supposed to use that for like your fine lines. But it doesn't have a lot of suction, so you're supposed to use it for your lips too. This would be good if you have the fine lines starting. This would be good for that. If you're just wanting the vein plump lips, this is better for you. We can try the bigger one. I said my face is too small, but this fits my forehead. That's how big my forehead is. Oh, this is not one that you want to leave on. Once you get it attached, you want to take it. Oh, yeah. This may give you a face hickey. Stick with what you know. Stick with what you know. Okay, so, yeah. You're just going to do both sides of your face. I usually do about 3 minutes on each side. You can do your neck and your décolleté, but I'm not going to waste your time with that. But like I said, I have a fine lines here, so that's where I focus it. I probably go over it more than anything else. And then out here and over my brow bone, just bringing it up like in an arch. Once you get it attached, you just kind of like that. And like I said, this is natural. You'll get flushed. I'm already, you know, have redness in my skin, but it feels kind of, I don't know. It doesn't hurt or anything. So I highly recommend it. I'm going to show you the box so you can make sure you're ordering the right thing. I will obviously link it down below. This is just the one that I bought. It was cheap. I was going to try it out. It was the one that was like suggested or like sponsored or whatever on Amazon. So I was a buyer. It is painless. I've already gotten 2 people, like I've been using it and I've been talking about it. So I already have 2 people who've already reached out and told me they bought it because I suggested it and they love it. So if you're trying to fight the signs of aging, like most of us, especially if you're 35, I recommend it. Please leave it in the comments below if you pick it up. Let me know what you think. If you have specific questions that I didn't cover, please leave that down there as well. I'll talk to you guys later.